Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job and want to start your own business from the comfort of your own home? Many people dream of starting their own business, but it can be daunting and overwhelming to get started. One way to get started is by using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. All you need is a website, and you can start promoting products and earning commissions. Working from home allows you the freedom to work on your own terms, and affiliate marketing can make that dream a reality. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a passive income while you sleep, giving you more time to spend with your family and friends. So, start your own business today, and use affiliate marketing to make your dreams of working from home a reality. When choosing which products or services to promote, it's important to do your research and find the best affiliate programs to maximize your earnings. Creating quality content to promote your affiliate products on social media can help attract more potential customers. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your affiliate products and build a loyal customer base. Optimizing your website for search engines can help increase your visibility and drive more traffic to your affiliate products. Tracking your affiliate earnings can help you see which products are performing well and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Attending affiliate marketing conferences can help you network with other professionals and learn new strategies to improve your business. Offering special promotions or discounts to your email subscribers can help increase sales and loyalty among your customers. Collaborating with other influencers in your niche can help expand your reach and attract new customers to your affiliate products. Starting your own business can be challenging, but with affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless. So, take the first step and start building your own online business today. www.icreatebosses.com